Assalamualaikum, my name is Rehan and this is our research question. How does the English language reflect culture and tradition? And these are my team members. Wafi,
Ifama,
Rukaya.
and this is group 2.
My name is Rukaya. Today I'm gonna introduce Rania. How does English language reflect culture and tradition?
Language is a big part of culture. The English language reflects the culture and traditions of the people who speak it. We can see this in the words, expressions, and sayings. By studying English, we can learn about people's values, beliefs, and way of life. This report will explore on how the English language reflects culture and tradition.
What are the causes and consequences of the situation?
The causes and consequences of how the English language reflects culture and traditions. One possible cause is that language is shaped by cultural values and beliefs. Because of this, people can learn about traditions and ways of life through English. Another cause is that English is a global language, so it includes influences from many cultures. This helps people connect and understand each other. However, there are also negative effects. English spread through colonial history, which sometimes made English culture more dominant than others. Also, English often reflects Western perspectives more, so some cultures may not be fully represented. In conclusion, English reflects culture in both positive and negative ways.
How does language show culture in America?
In America, for example, the history. Some people in America have tons of stories about the Civil War, and also American people. There's lots of students from different countries, for example, from India, Pakistan, China, and they all come there to study. And also, America has a very good history, like the Civil War and the states. America has 50 states, but before they had 13.
how does language show culture in Canada?
In Canada, for example, in Canada there's so many students, and the students speak different language from different cultures, and that makes lots of communities. So in Canada we have communities everywhere from different places, like some students in Canada are from India, some from Brazil. So different places in England, America and Canada, they have different accents. For example, in England we have Scotland, Ireland, Wales. They all have different accents.
Today I'll be asking Rohan about language in Canada, America and the United Kingdom.
About all of these three countries, they all speak the similar language, like English. For example, Canada, America and the United Kingdom. All three of them speak English. A lot of countries like the United Kingdom, they speak English lightly and good mannered. For example, in Canada, some down south they speak English and some people speak French in Canada. And in America and the UK, they only speak English. What do you think is the solution for this situation? The solution is, instead of people being racist, they should actually embrace the culture, learn about the culture. And also, some places in remote Indonesia, they speak different languages. I think we should tell news channels to promote the language, or in the future, it might get extinct. For example, some places like Africa, there's some tribes, there's only one person that speaks the language in the whole world now. And that person is now teaching everyone the language and the culture. Example, Arabic people. If there's only one Arabic person left in the whole world, the culture will disappear. The tradition culture will disappear. Instead, we need everyone to support and not be racist to people about it, about the culture, the food, and stuff. And now I'm going to give the mic to Wafi.
In conclusion, how does the English language reflect culture and traditions?
In conclusion, this is quite good for us because part Canada and America speak English. This shows that also we can share and embrace the culture. But Canada also speaks part French. This is also good for us because they also share the culture of French. In the UK, they also speak English because it shows their beliefs in humor.
Thank you.